angels. So today's Monday. All we're going to do is finish off the house for the layers, right? The chickens that are gonna lay eggs. So I'm gonna go show you guys that. As you can hear that radio. Yeah, that sound is the guy that is currently building the house outside. So let me go and show you. Right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, here I'm just showing you that we also feed the chicken like leftover food that is spoiled that we're no longer gonna eat. So when I'm okay, it's rice on top, there's puff at the bottom. So yeah, we also give our hardbody chickens this leftover food to eat. Yeah, and any scraps, you know. Yeah. So let me show you. Do you like that? They ate too much today. Hey guys, so it's currently 4:30, 16:30. So this is how much he was able to do. I'm pretty sure he's gonna go on to that side and this side. So the door will be on this side. It will be facing the farm. So yeah guys. I'll show you the continuation on the day that he comes if he doesn't come tomorrow. Bye. So guys, it's 5:30 now. I'm going to water the chili trees that we have. So I'm just collecting water here. Let me show you the farm quickly. Pretty, isn't it? It's a lot of growth. Beetroot is also really starting to shoot. So, and then our other two team members are also busy. Busy. So I'm just going to the trees for the chili. Oh yeah, here's the house for the chicken layers. So this is where they're extending. See, they're working. The aim is to level it out, to make it as leveled as this side as we go all the way that side. So they're gonna take the sand and take it that side. Guys, this is a pomegranate tree. It's a pomegranate tree. So I also water that. This is another chili tree that is on its own. So yeah, I'm done here. So this is the end of Monday, guys. We're closing the vlog at like 5:30. Bye guys, see you tomorrow morning. My angels, today's Tuesday. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. The plan is to water the farm, and then I'll see what else happens throughout the day that I will show you. For now, let's have some popo for breakfast, guys. And let me eat this. I feel like having a food right now in the morning. Yeah, let's eat. Here's our popo, guys. So let's eat. Oopsie. Morning, guys. So is it Wednesday, Google? Yes, it's Wednesday. I want to get an orange. I already took one now, so I want to get another one, a few for the house. The narkis are out of season now. Well, diavol, these are the narkis this side. So guys, I've already cut some because I was making a video for TikTok in like portrait mode. So yeah, I'm cutting for Granny and I. Guys, I don't know, I love a fruit in the morning. I feel like it refreshes the blood and the system. Can I say that? I'm going to give Granny in this bowl. There we go. Let's go to Granny. Food, Granny. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Granny! That's so funny. Hey guys, it's currently 4 p.m. I'm just filling up the drums with water so that when the team members who are going to water the plants come, that they find water. Let me show you. It's been a hot day. It's been a hot day. So in the morning, obviously, it was, yes, Faith. In the morning, it was obviously still damp because we had watered yesterday afternoon. So you see, it's quite dry. So we're just gonna wait for them, and then I'm gonna show you guys as we water. It's currently 5:10, and I'm using the sprinkler. And then where the sprinkler doesn't reach is where we usually use the bucket system, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but geez, but it just doesn't cover the whole entire field. It doesn't get to the corners. That's the boring thing about having a sprinkler. You need to have enough if you want to have enough coverage whilst watering. Yeah, guys, it's currently 15:45, and this is how far he was able to work. He's already knocked off. So he picked up the side of the wall and that corner. So I guess the idea is that there's going to be 2 gaps in between. But yeah, guys, it is so hot. I'm just a few lines that we forgot. Not forgot, but like, you know, it is a lot of work, guys. You will not complete it within one day. Look at how small this one is. I almost took it out. This, here it is. Here's the beetroot. So I just have to cover it with soil. Guys, it's currently around 5:30, so we're going to water the plants, and then I'm also going to continue tlhagoleting a few lines from last week. So you're gonna watch us do that. Whilst you tlhagola, you wanna take out like these things that are not needed in the ground, like